what's going on, guys? You cannot believe what the mailman dropped off today. It's my new scooter made by Enjoybot. Let's crack her open. I'm about to tell y'all all about it. Alright, so far so good. The box looks pretty nice. Let's see how she looks inside. Okay, inside here your handlebars that just simply need to be screwed in. Looks like this is our charger and our kickstand, which comes with the Allen wrench to screw her in. Let's take her out. Wow, it's pretty lightweight. Look at this carbon fiber, and this thing's beautiful. Alright, I like the non-slip foot pad right here. You won't be slipping around. The carbon fiber looks amazing, and I'm guessing that in itself is why this thing is so lightweight. Look how thin and nice and thin this part is, and due to the fact that batteries are just all in the tube here, that's what really makes this a compact package. Let's screw on. Left now is a kickstand, and it looks to go in right over here. So here's the kickstand, and you got your two Allen keys here. Take out this nut here first. The assembly said it takes like 15 minutes, but between the grips and this kickstand here, looks like I got it knocked out with what, less than 2-3 minutes. According to the manual, for a full charge this takes about 2 hours, so I'm about to plug her in, and it looks like the charger goes right in here, but it's set for a couple hours here. Alrighty guys, so overall this scooter is awesome. I love the fact that it takes only a couple hours to charge. You get up to 8 miles of riding time out of that charge due to the powerful lithium-ion battery. Due to its powerful 250 watt motor, this thing has 3 speeds and goes up to 15 miles an hour, and it has a range of 4 to 15 miles per charge. And with the awesome LED display, you can scroll up in your gears, see how fast you're going, and you actually see your battery life as well. Now, you guys are probably wondering where I got the scooter from, right? Well, I got it on Amazon, and I'll have a link below in the video description on where you can snag yourself one amazing piece of transportation for yourself. And I guess this wraps it up for this video. I want to thank you all for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to my channel. I'll have many more up and coming product reviews like this, which I'm very confident y'all will enjoy. Thanks for watching, and peace out.